If you're skipping meals because you're busy, this video is for you. These SlimSync recipes are fast, fresh, and designed to help busy people lose weight, without losing time. No more excuses. Let's get cooking. Let's kick things off with a dish that's as impressive as it is simple. Oyster mushroom, scallop bites. These little rounds are indulgent and light, making them a perfect choice for anyone looking to enjoy gourmet flavors while keeping things healthy. If you're searching for a plant-based alternative to classic scallops, this recipe is about to become your new favorite. Oyster mushrooms, especially the king oyster variety, have a naturally meaty texture and a subtle, savory flavor that makes them ideal for this transformation. Not only are these bites delicious, but they're also perfect for fat loss and anyone following a low-calorie or plant-forward diet. They're packed with nutrients, low in fat, and high in satisfaction, so you can enjoy a decadent meal without any guilt. To start, take your king oyster mushrooms and slice them into thick, even rounds. About an inch thick is perfect. This gives you that classic scallop shape and a satisfying bite. Next, gently score the tops in a crisscross pattern. This not only helps them cook evenly, but also allows the flavors to seep deep into the mushroom. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat, and add just a touch of avocado oil, which has a high smoke point and a neutral flavor that lets the mushrooms shine. Once your pan is hot, lay the mushroom rounds in and resist the urge to move them around. Let them sear undisturbed for a few minutes. This is the secret to developing that beautiful golden brown crust that mimics the look and taste of real scallops. The caramelization brings out the mushroom's natural umami and adds a satisfying texture. After a few minutes, flip each round carefully. Now add a generous dab of garlic herb butter to the pan. As the butter melts, it infuses the mushrooms with rich, aromatic flavors. Use a spoon to baste the tops, letting the butter, garlic, and herbs soak into every crevice. This step elevates the dish, giving it a restaurant-quality finish right in your own kitchen. To brighten things up, finish with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of chopped parsley. The lemon adds a zesty freshness that cuts through the richness of the butter, while the parsley brings a pop of color and a hint of earthiness. These final touches make the dish feel vibrant and complete. The result? You get meaty, satisfying bites that look and feel just like scallops, but are entirely plant-based and much lighter. The golden crust, the tender interior, and the burst of fresh flavors make this dish a true showstopper. Perfect for impressing guests or treating yourself to something special. Serve your mushroom scallops on a bed of peppery arugula for a fresh, vibrant contrast, or enjoy them solo as a satisfying snack or appetizer. You can even pair them with a light salad, some roasted veggies, or a drizzle of balsamic reduction for extra flair. However you serve them, these bites are sure to be a hit. With high satisfaction and low calories, this is smart, delicious cooking at its best. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based eater or just looking to add more veggies to your plate, oyster mushroom scallop bites are a must-try. Simple, elegant, and absolutely delicious. We've all been there, opening your lunchbox to find a sad, soggy sandwich that's lost its appeal. The bread is limp, the filling is mushy, and you're left wishing for something fresher, more exciting, and definitely more satisfying. It's time to break free from the monotony of uninspired desk lunches and try something that's not only delicious, but also energizing and packed with flavor. Enter Chili Lime Cabbage Protein Cups, a vibrant, crunchy, and zesty alternative that will completely transform your midday meal. These cups are bursting with color, texture, and bold flavors, making every bite a refreshing experience. They're perfect for anyone looking to add a little excitement to their lunch routine, without sacrificing nutrition or convenience. The secret starts with sturdy cabbage leaves. Unlike lettuce, cabbage holds up beautifully, staying crisp and fresh even after hours in your lunchbox. Simply peel off the outer leaves of Napa or green cabbage, rinse them well, and pat them dry. These leaves become the perfect edible cups, strong enough to hold a hearty filling, yet tender enough to bite into easily. For the protein-packed filling, you have options. Brown lean ground, chicken in a skillet until it's golden and cooked through, or opt for tofu if you prefer a plant-based version. The key is to get a nice sear for extra flavor and texture. Season generously with salt and pepper as it cooks, letting the protein develop a savory base. Next, it's time to build those bold, zesty flavors. Toss your cooked protein with a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice, a sprinkle of lime zest, chopped chili for heat, and a splash of fish sauce for umami depth. Add plenty of chopped cilantro and mint for a burst of herbal freshness. This combination creates a filling that's tangy, spicy, and incredibly aromatic. Carefully spoon the filling into your cabbage leaves, making sure not to overfill. This keeps each cup easy to pick up and eat without making a mess. Arrange them on a plate or pack them into your lunch container, and you'll have a meal that looks as good as it tastes. The result? A lunch that's crunchy, vibrant, and bursting with flavor. The cabbage stays crisp, The filling is zesty and satisfying, and every bite delivers a perfect balance of freshness and protein. It's a far cry from the usual soggy sandwich, and it'll keep you coming back for more. One of the best parts about chili lime cabbage protein cups is how easy they are to prep ahead. Make the filling in advance and store it in the fridge. Then, when you're ready to eat, just assemble your cups. It's a grab-and-go solution that fits perfectly into busy schedules, whether you're heading to the office or working from home. This meal is clean, refreshing, and keeps you energized throughout the day. The combination of lean protein, fresh herbs, and crunchy cabbage means you'll feel satisfied without feeling weighed down. Plus, the flavors are so lively, you'll actually look forward to lunchtime. Say goodbye to desk lunch disasters and hello to a new favorite midday meal. With chili lime cabbage protein cups, you'll never settle for soggy sandwiches again. Comfort food, reimagined. Teppan-style egg and spinach sheets. Whisk eggs with soy sauce, sesame oil and white pepper. Stir in chopped spinach. Pour thinly into a non-stick pan. Cook gently, then roll and slice into pinwheels. Soft, savory, and protein-packed. Pure comfort, zero guilt. Simple, elegant, and satisfying. Eggplant is one of those vegetables that often gets a bad rap. Too many people have only ever tasted it when it's soggy, greasy, or bland. But when you treat it right, eggplant transforms into something truly special. Today, we're making garlic pepper eggplant strips. A dish that's all about bold flavors, irresistible textures, and a method that guarantees you'll never end up with a spongy, oily mess again. Start by cutting your eggplant into thick, hearty strips. Generously salt them, and let them rest in a colander for about 20 to 30 minutes. This step is crucial. It draws out excess moisture and any bitterness, setting you up for perfectly textured eggplant. After they've sweated, rinse the salt off thoroughly and pat each strip completely dry with paper towels. This extra care ensures your eggplant will sear beautifully, not steam. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add just a small amount of oil, enough to coat the bottom. Lay the eggplant strips in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Sear them until they're golden brown on all sides, turning as needed. This step locks in flavor and gives you that irresistible caramelized exterior without soaking up too much oil. Once your eggplant is beautifully seared, add a generous amount of minced garlic and freshly cracked black pepper. Let the garlic sizzle and become fragrant, infusing the eggplant with its aroma. Then deglaze the pan with a splash of soy sauce and a touch of vinegar. The soy sauce brings umami depth, while the vinegar adds a bright, tangy note that balances the richness. Toss everything together, making sure each strip is coated in that glossy, savory sauce. The eggplant will soak up all those flavors, becoming tender, aromatic, and absolutely mouth-watering. Let it cook just until everything is hot and fragrant, and the sauce clings to the eggplant like a glaze. The result, eggplant with a creamy, almost custard-like interior and a caramelized, slightly crisp exterior. Every bite is a flavor bomb, savory, garlicky, peppery, with just the right hint of tang. This is eggplant at its best, and it's sure to convert even the skeptics. Serve your garlic pepper eggplant strips as a vibrant side or a main with rice or noodles. It's a healthy, satisfying way to elevate your veggies. No excuses. Give this method a try, and you'll never look at eggplant the same way again. Tofu, but with attitude. Miso lime glazed tofu steak. Press extra firm tofu, slice thick, and sear until golden. Whisk miso, lime juice, maple syrup, ginger, and garlic for the glaze. Spoon glaze over tofu in the pan. Let it caramelize. Serve with sesame seeds and scallions. Crispy, tender, and packed with flavor. Tofu transformed. Need energy, not heaviness? Cold sesame veggie slaw bowl is your answer. Julienne carrots, peppers, cucumber, and red cabbage. Add edamame and shredded chicken or tofu. Toss with homemade tahini, rice vinegar, soy, and sesame oil dressing. Vibrant, crunchy, and protein-rich. Keeps you light and focused. Eat with your eyes and feel your best. 10 minutes big flavor. Mushroom and scallion flash stir. Prep a mix of mushrooms and scallions. Sear mushrooms in a hot wok. Add scallion whites, garlic, and ginger. Pour in soy, mirin, and cornstarch slurry. Toss. Finish with scallion greens. Deeply savory, glossy, and fast. Restaurant taste, home speed. No more instant noodles. Beat cravings with rice paper veggie protein rolls. Soften rice paper, fill with lettuce, crunchy veggies, protein, and fresh herbs. Roll tightly, like a burrito. Make a batch for the week. Grab one when hunger hits. Satisfying, hydrating, and smart. Snack smarter, stay on track. End your day right. Lemon soy egg ribbon bowl. Make thin egg crepes, slice into ribbons. Simmer broth with soy and lemon, add egg ribbons, pour over, garnish with scallions. Light, tangy and comforting, perfect for a nourishing finish. Comfort without the calories. Hit reset with the cold green crunch bowl. Pile kale, romaine, cucumber, celery, green pepper, and snap peas. Add edamame and avocado. Blend parsley, cilantro, lemon, vinegar, and garlic for a zesty dressing. Toss and enjoy a bowl of pure green energy. Cleanses, energizes, and satisfies. Stay lean. Stay sharp. 10 lightning-fast, delicious recipes. No more excuses. Healthy food is quick, vibrant, and satisfying. Build your system, not a diet. Consistency is the real game changer. Start tonight. Pick a recipe. Get cooking. You're better than a skip meal. Now prove it.